Meaning of impulse buy.
Impulse buy.
Impulse buy.
Impulse buy.
Impulse buy. Impulse buy refers to a sudden, unplanned purchase made without giving much thought to the item's practicality or necessity. It usually happens when we're exposed to certain marketing tactics or in an environment that encourages impulsive purchases. These decisions can be influenced by emotions, such as excitement or fear of missing out. As a result, impulse buys often lead to buyer's remorse and a waste of money on unnecessary items. To avoid impulse buying, it's helpful to stick to a budget, make a shopping list, and take time to evaluate purchases before buying them.